Hi there, it's Mark Sebastian, your only option from OptionPit.com, and this is my take on Nvidia. So, Nvidia, leading up to the year, it's had an incredible year. It's had a stock split. A year ago, it was $43 split adjusted, got to a high of 140. That was in June. That was the absolute high that we've seen. Since then, zoning in, you can see it's been a lot of chop, but you might notice a trend. It has a low, rallies back, lower low, rallies back. Now, it didn't get a lower low here, but it keeps touching this 150-day moving average. But look here, lower high, and it's selling off. Nvidia, some bad news. China's trying to limit the use of Nvidia chips. The stock looks weaker. I think the easy money being long Nvidia has been made. It's a great trading stock, but I think as an investment vehicle, there for that AI exposure, there is probably some better ways to play it at this point. I don't see a ton of upside. Near term, I'm liking Nvidia down to 115, this garbled mess of moving averages where the 21, the 100, and the 50 are all gathered together. It's going to get there. If it breaks there, 106, and then if it could break that 150, the 200-day moving average is all the way down to 94. I don't think that's going to happen, but I think we're going to get another test of 106 here in Nvidia. At that point, probably an interesting trading long. So how am I playing it? Well, in order to play options, you have to understand implied volatility. And let's look at Nvidia. This red line is implied volatility. Nvidia implied volatility over the last year, not high, not low, relatively, it's certainly not at earnings highs, but not implicitly inexpensive either. You can see it can get down into the 30s. Currently, it's about 46. So if I want to play Nvidia, how do I play it? I buy a put vertical with the stock trading around 120. Maybe I buy a 120 or 119 or a 118 put. And then to offset some of the costs, to reduce my volatility exposure, I sell a put that is lower. So I might buy the 118 put and sell a 113 put. Maybe I buy a 115 put and sell a 105 put as a play, as an option play. That's called a put vertical. It reduces my cost, but it does limit my downside in case, let's say, Nvidia just plummeted and went to 80. That is probably not going to happen, but that is how I'd be looking to play Nvidia right now. So there you have it. That's my take on Nvidia. If you're watching me on YouTube, leave a comment, leave a question, leave a request for a stock for me to give you what I'm seeing on, and we'll get to it. Like and subscribe. All right, folks, I am Mark Sebastian. I am your only option. Have a good one.